Welcome everyone, you're on iOS 26 or newer, but the liquid glass isn't working. So the good news is, regardless of your iPhone model, all iPhones which got iOS 26 do get liquid glass. This is iPhone 11, the lowest supported device. But on my 16 Pro, I'm not seeing it. So there's just a couple settings we need to verify and change. The first is we're going to long press on the empty space of our home screen, and I will assume maybe 70% watching have already tried this, but if you haven't, once the app icons jiggle, just tap on the edit button here. So let's try that again. Edit, and then customize, and make sure that you have chosen the clear or tinted option for your app icons to get the liquid glass effect. But even after doing that, the liquid glass still isn't working. So the second thing we need to do is change some settings. So let's go into the settings app. And inside of the settings app, we're going to look for the accessibility option. And one of our accessibility settings, or multiple, is causing the liquid glass not to work. So the first setting you need to check and turn off is if we go into display and text size, you will see the reduce transparency setting. This must be turned off, otherwise liquid glass will not show. There is another setting, the second one that you need to turn off, is if we head out of display and text size, and then we go into the motion, you will see reduce motion. If this is on, liquid glass doesn't function, tap this one to turn it off, and there might be another accessibility setting if this still isn't working that you have to turn off that you set on, but those two are the most common. And now look on my home screen, the liquid glass effect is in full force. There we go, it's so beautiful. And if this video did help you out, YouTube are not recommending my videos like they used to. So it really would mean the world to me if I helped you out. Leave a like on this video and also put down a comment saying, hey, this video helped me out, thank you. And if I didn't help you out, leave a comment asking a question, what do you need help with? What have you tried? What isn't working? And I'll try and respond to your comments. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.